Welcome to our video. It's time to dive into the realm of chocolatey decadence with a healthy twist. Get ready to experience a dessert that combines the creaminess of avocados and the richness of chocolate in our tantalizing vegan chocolate avocado mousse. Let's get cooking! Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, peeled and pitted, and a 4-cup cocoa powder and a 4-cup plant-based milk mand, soy, oat, etc. and calf. And half 4-cup maple syrup or agave nectar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, fresh berries or chopped nuts for topping. In a food processor, blend avocados, cocoa powder, plant-based milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and salt until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. Divide the mousse into serving dishes and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Before serving, top with fresh berries or chopped nuts. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight lose goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe.